हेलो एवरीवन, वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट दैट यूजीसी नेट पेपर दिसंबर 2023। शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 82, विच ऑफ दस इज नॉट करेक्टेड अबाउट द नेचुरल्स ऑफ द मैन एज पर लॉक? डी, despite this the without any the political authority men cannot live in the harmonies with others. 80, concerning four layers and of the political order as per the laws and which of the pairs is not correctly matches political orders and role or status. D, D, executive is related to the absolute sovereignty. Which of those is not and correct about the natures of government as per the social contract theory of Locke? C, executive has more power and the superiors to the legislative. Who is considered father of the classical liberalism? D, Locke. Which is not the three principles of the properties and given by the Locke? D, consent and restrictions. One may have to obtain consent of others to accuse property. Which of those is not correct about the general will of the Roshki? C, general will is aggregation or sum of the actual will of the community members. Rousseau's social contract and was an attempt to the reconcile and contradictory normative issues, and which of those is not one of them? E, none of above. The essay comparative. The essay competitive and why the Academy of the Dijon in Paris and which the Rousseau and won and changed his life, and was the title? A, whether restorations of science and art contributed to the purification of morals, which is not the idea's theme association with J.S. Mill. C, one word, one value, which is not true about the J.S. Mill. D, he was the champions of the Enlightenment and a movement in Europe. Which of the squatters and is not attributed to J.S. Mill? B, your liberty to the swing your fist and just where my nose began. Which is not correct about the Alexander Colleen tie? D, she was prosecuted and jailed and by the Stalin under his the Purge movement. In the Mandela theory, neutrals state out of the circles of states of Vijigisu more powerful and than any of the kings in the circles was called. D, Udasin. Which is not correct about the Savarkar? B, he was president of RSS and for the 7 years from the 1937 and 43. Which of the thinkers and has divided Karl Marx works into early and matured Marx? A, Louis Althusser, who was the Congress president in the Lahore session of Congress 1929, in which resolution for the Purna Swaraj was adopted. B, Jawaharlal Nehru, first Sanskrit text and to have been and translated into the English in 1794 was. C, Manusmriti. Arthashastra is A. B, Samhita, which best describes the core theme of the Arthashastra. D, it is the science and which explain the means of the attainment and protections of the earth. Resources earth. Thank you guys. Bye bye.